Hi, today I'm going to talk about the while loops. I'm just going to comment out the codes we did last time and create a divider here. I'm just going to call this while loop. So, what is a while loop? Um, while loop is just a just another loop. Um, so there's two types of while loop. There's two types of while loop. There's do while and while. Do while and while loop. And let's see. They're both they're similar to the for loop except it doesn't have any semicolons in it. Let's see. The structure of a while loop is while true uh, statement runs, and the do while loop is do while true, and the difference between both of them is the while loop runs while the statement while the while loop is first checked before the statement runs, and the do while loop runs first, and then the statements will be checked. So it's useful for programs that needs to be run first before values are checked or datas are checked. Now let's implement a quick while loop. While, let's say, let's compare int 1 equals 1, int 2 equals 2. Uh, while int 1 is equal to 1, there's going to be a problem with this. It's going to be an infinite loop. So it has an infinite loop, just like the for loop. What you have to do is you have to increment the loop, or change the value to probably number 2, and so this condition will evaluate to false. So it'll break out the loop. You can do less than or equal to. Let's say 4, and let's type in cout repeat. Wow. And this is our while loop, and let's run this program. And here you can see it repeats while repeats 4 times. Then we can do the do while loop. Let's say n2 is less than 1. So this is already false, but for the do while loop, this is going to repeat. This is going to execute once before the while loop gets checked. So let's run this program. Here you can see the do while loop runs, and then it checks for the while loop condition, and it's false, so it's going to break out of the while loop, and then it stops. The reason why it stopped isn't because I incremented it. It's because this is false. Now, if this was to be true, if this was to be true, then it's going to repeat once, and it's going to execute once, and then it's going to repeat. And do while loops also have continue. So codes after the continue isn't reached. So if this is going to give us a infinite loop. Let's run this program. Here you can see an infinite loop, and it also has break. So you can use break and continue on either a while or do while loop. And this is it for while loops, and thank you for watching.